So example 1 says to find the missing sides and the angles given. They told us that angle A is 64 degrees, angle C is 82 degrees, and side C is 14 inches. So what I do to do this is I make a chart. So angle A, angle B, angle C, side A, side B, side C. And I fill in what they gave us. So they told us that angle A is 64 degrees. They said angle C is 82 degrees. And side C is 14 inches. And I go ahead and label everything in this because this is going to be my final answer. All right, because it wants me to solve the triangle. Once I find angle B, side A, and side B, I'm just going to box the whole chart that I had there. So what do you want to find first?
Angle C over
Angle B.
All right, angle B. How do you find angle B? 180 minus the other two angles added together, right? Because remember, it's 180 degrees total, which is minus 180. So you get, what, 34 degrees?
Yes. Let me just use that ratio.
All right, so now do you want to find side A or side B?
Just do side A.
It doesn't matter which one you find first. You're going to do them the same way. All right, so what'd you say?
Side A.
Side A. So I'm going to use the one that they gave me, the angle in the side across from it that they gave me, okay? I don't want to use what I found unless I have to. There are times we'll have to. When we go to find side B, we're going to have to use the 34 degrees that we found. We're taking a chance that if our 34 degrees is off, then our answer for side B is also going to be off. So, if possible, use the information they gave us. So, we can find using our law of sines, then sine of angle C, which is 82 degrees, over side C, which is 14, is going to be equal to, you said we're going to find A, so we're going to do sine of angle A, which is 64 degrees, over side A, which is A. Now, how can I solve that?
Cross multiply.
Good. I'm going to cross multiply, but look at this, guys. A short way that always works when we're cross multiplying, and one of yours is an unknown. Cross multiply the numbers that are there, and then divide by what is left. Works every time, okay?
You're always decimal.
So,
Why did you do the 82 and 64?
what did I do? What?
82 and 64.
Because that fell into my formula. It was sine of angle C over side C equals sine of angle A over side A. So we're going to get side A is equal to 14 times sine of 64 degrees over sine of 82 degrees. Now, what mode does my calculator need to be in since I'm hitting the sine button? Degrees, because that's what my angle is.
Oh, I need to keep the sign with it.
And so let's go ahead and let's round this to, because it's a side, let's round it to 3 decimal places.
Wait, why did we just toss a sign in? Because that's the...
I didn't just toss a sign in. It's the law of sines. It has it in the formula. Sine of my angle.
So I need to put sign in there.
Yes, you have to put sign in there.
64 times 14.
No. It's not just 64. It's sine of 64.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, so what do we get for A approximately?
4.7.
Give me 3 decimal places.
4.06.
706 and 707. All right.
Sign 64.
And don't forget to label.
Divided by sign 82. Oh, total. Wow.
And then we're going to find side B. Can I use Pythagorean theorem? No, why not?
Because it's a ball sign.
It's not a right triangle, is it?
Nope.
Remember, Pythagorean theorem only works for right triangles. So we're going to have to use our law of sines. So again, I'm going to use sine of angle C over side C equal to sine of angle B, which we know is 34 degrees, over side B, which is what we're looking for. Cross multiply with the numbers, divide by what is left. So side B is going to be 14 times sine of 34 degrees divided by sine of 82 degrees.
Could you, instead of doing sine 82 over 14, do like sine 64 over 12.707?
I could. But my problem there is if my 12.707 is wrong, then automatically B is going to be wrong, okay?
Yeah, but you can.
I can. Now also, I rounded on 12.707, which means it's got a rounding error in it. And so if I use it, it's going to make this one off even more. So I prefer that you use what's given if possible, okay? So what did we get that B is approximately?
7.906.
All right, and don't forget to label. The main thing is you have to label up here. If you don't label in your work, that's okay, but label in your answer. And since now we've got our chart all filled out, there is our solution for this triangle.